Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on languages and input, manage keyboards, and keyboard. Following that, select theme section, scroll down and tap on those icons at the top right corners. This way you will see all available themes. And click on the chosen one to set it up, in my case this one. By tapping on this switcher next to keyboarders, you can manage them. And then to save your keyboard, click on Apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it thanks to the same settings by tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!